Hey, check this out. We're at the Clam Outdoors booth, and I wanted to show you this. I haven't seen the chairs. So we've got the clam stool, a clam table with the drink holders, and a clam fishing chair right there. 3 different things that you could be using in whatever different types of shelters you're going to be wanting to take out, whether it's a wheelhouse or if you're going to be going out on the lake in one of their many flip over houses or some of their others. You can put that in almost any of those, but mainly they're going to be meant for the hub style houses here they have on display. So if you're going to head out fishing and take a few people with you, Clam's got chairs and a table for you right there. We'll put links in the description below and give you the model numbers and everything so you guys can check them out online.